Welcome back to Module 2, Physics. In this final kinetics video, we cover velocity ratio, mechanical advantage, and efficiency. The numbers that describe how simple machines like levers, gears, and pulleys work. Velocity ratio compares the distance moved by the effort to the distance moved by the load. In a lever, the end further from the fulcrum sweeps through a much larger distance than the end closer to the fulcrum. Velocity ratio is just a ratio, so it has no units. Mechanical advantage is the load divided by the effort. It tells you how much a machine multiplies your input force. A lever lets a small effort force lift a much larger load. For example, an 80-Newton effort lifting a 400-Newton load gives a mechanical advantage of 5. Efficiency is mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio, expressed as a percentage. In a perfect machine, all the input energy would appear as useful output work, but real machines always lose some energy to friction and heat, shown here in red. That means efficiency is always less than 100% in practice. Levers are classified by the position of the fulcrum, load, and effort. A first-class lever has the fulcrum in the middle, like a seesaw. A second-class lever has the load in the middle, like a wheelbarrow. A third-class lever has the effort in the middle, like a fishing rod, trading force for speed and reach. Gears and pulleys are simple machines too, each with their own velocity ratio. When a small gear drives a much larger gear, the output speed decreases, but the torque increases. For a pulley system, the mechanical advantage equals the number of rope segments directly supporting the load. Pause the video and try this problem yourself. Efficiency equals MA divided by VR times 100%. 5 divided by 6 times 100 gives an efficiency of 83.3%. Question 1. What is mechanical advantage? The answer is B, load divided by effort. Question 2. What is velocity ratio? The answer is B, distance moved by effort over distance moved by load. Question 3. Why is efficiency always less than 100% in real machines? The answer is B. Friction and other losses waste some of the input energy. Here is your quick reference. Velocity ratio is the distance moved by the effort divided by the distance moved by the load. Mechanical advantage is load divided by effort. Efficiency is MA over VR, times 100%. Levers are classified by whether the fulcrum, load, or effort sits in the middle. And for pulleys, mechanical advantage equals the number of supporting rope segments. That completes kinetics. Linear motion, rotational and periodic motion, vibration and resonance, and velocity ratio, mechanical advantage and efficiency. In the next video, we move on to dynamics, starting with mass, force, and inertia. See you there.